In this lesson, we'll learn how to solve simultaneous exponential equations. In question A, we have two given equations. The first equation is 2 power x times 4 power y equals 1/8. What you should endeavor to do is to get each part as the same base. So in this case, it looks like base 2 will be useful. So we'll write 2x times 4, which we know is 2 squared y, and a could be written as 1 on 2 cubed. So here we got 2x. Now we'll get rid of our bracket by multiplying the 2 and the y. So this is 2 power 2y. And when we bring up our 2 cubed, that will become 2 to power negative 3. At this stage, we will add these two parts here. So we'll get 2x plus 2y equals 2 to power negative 3. And if both of these are equal, and now we have the same base, that means that these indices must also be equal. So we can write x plus 2y equals negative 3. In the second equation, we have 9 power x divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 27. So it looks like the base here to use will be base 3. So let's change everything to base 3. So y would be 3 squared power x divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 27, which is 3 cubed. So we'll remove the bracket in the top. So that would be 3 power 2x divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 3 cubed. And as we're dividing here, we will subtract the powers. So 3 power 2x minus y plus 1 equals 3 cubed. And let's simplify the top here. So we'll have 3 power 2x minus y minus 1 equals 3 cubed. Therefore, we'll have 2x minus y minus 1 is going to be equal to 3. So 2x minus y minus 1 will be equal to 3. So you can see now we've got two equations here and here. And we need to solve these simultaneous equations. So we've got x plus 2y equals negative 3 for equation 1. And this one here will have 2x minus y equals 4 when we bring our negative 1 over. So these are two equations to solve. Now we've got x plus 2y and 2x minus y. We need to make at least one of these terms the same. So I'll multiply equation 1 by 2. So I'm going to end up with 2x plus 4y equals negative 6. This is still equation 1. I'll write down equation 2 again. 2x minus y equals 4. At this point, we can subtract the equations. So 2x subtract 2x will cancel. 4y minus negative y will be 5y. Negative 6 minus 4 will be negative 10. So y here will be negative 2. So once we have one of those values, we can substitute back up into one of our equations. So let's sub that into equation 1 here. So we're going to get x plus 2y, and y is negative 2, equals negative 3. So we have x plus negative 4 equals negative 3. So x is going to equal 4 minus 3. Therefore, x will be equal to 1. In question B, we have 3 power x multiplied by 9 power y divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 1/3. And the second equation is 8 power x divided by 2 power y plus 1 equals 8. So when you observe equation 1, we can see we've got 3, 3, 9, and 3 here. So it looks like base 3 is what we're going to use. So let's change all of this equation to have base 3. So we'll have 3x times 9, which is 3 squared to power y, divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 3 power negative 1. So let's simplify the top line. 3 power x times 3 power 2y divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 3 power negative 1. So now let's add the powers on the top. 3 power x plus 2y divided by 3 power y plus 1 equals 3 power negative 1. So at this stage here, we can see we have a division. So we're going to subtract these powers. So we'll have 3 power x plus 2y minus y plus 1 equals 3 power negative 1. So what we'll do now is simplify the power. We'll have 3 power x plus 2y minus y minus 1 equals 3 power negative 1. Next step, 3 power x 2y minus y would be y minus 1 equals 3 power negative 1. So now we see we've got the same base, which is base 3, which means that these two powers should be equal. So we'll write x plus y minus 1 equals negative 1. Therefore, x plus y will be equal to negative 1 plus 1, which is 0. So this is going to be your equation 1. So let's keep that in mind for the next step. So we need to simplify equation 2 now. This is equation 1. So let's do equation 2. Let's label them. So now we have 8 power x divided by 2 power y plus 1 equals 8. So it's looking here that we can use base 2. Let's change 8 to base 2. So that would be 2 cubed x divided by 2 power y plus 1 equals 8, which is 2 cubed. Next step, 2 power 3x divided by 2 power y plus 1 equals 2 cubed. And now at this stage again, we have a division, so we'll subtract the powers. So 2 power 3x minus y plus 1 equals 2 cubed. Now we'll simplify the power. 2 power 3x minus y minus 1 equals 2 cubed. So from our powers now, we can see that 3x minus y minus 1 equals 3. And this will give us the equation 3x minus y equals 4. So this will be our second equation. And we need to solve these simultaneously. So let's write out our simultaneous equations as x plus y equals 0. And we have 3x minus y equals 4 as equation 2. Now, observing these two equations, we can see if we add them, the y will cancel. So x plus 3x is 4x. Y plus negative y would be 0. This will cancel. And 0 plus 4 is 4. Therefore, x will be equal to 1. And by substitution, for example, into the first equation, we'll have 1 plus y equals 0. Therefore, y will be equal to negative 1. So these are our two solutions to our simultaneous equations. Thanks for watching.